Hi, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show how to configure the sub interface on Palo Alto Firewall. So that is our topology for today. And I didn't assign any IP address on the machines and firewalls. So we will configure the sub interface and then separate the traffic in the different VLANs. So let's get started. So here is the management Kali VM, and here's the VLAN 10 and VLAN 6. They have the different IP. Here's the management. Management also have the different IP, but I'm gonna assign it later. I won't write it here anymore. So let's start all the machines. So here's the management VLAN. Management Kali is I don't know why can't I. Alright. Should apply okay. Stuff. Alright, sometimes it's mess up, so whatever. So I have the management Kali machines. It's gonna boot it up. We have to wait for a while. And this one is VLAN 10. We can assign the IP address in here as well. We don't need to worry though. Alright, so I'm gonna configure the IP address on the network interface. This one is, yeah. So 10.10.10.28, right? IPv4, manual, 10.10.10.28. Sub number is 24, and default gateway is 10.10.10.1. We have the DNS in this machine. So 8.8.8.8. Apply. Yeah, we got the IP address and connection here. If config, standard 10.10.8. We got it. Let's go to the another Kali. This one is VLAN 6 to wire connection. Go to the setting. The IP address is manual. Standard 6.6.25. Sub number is 24. Now okay, we standard 6.6.1. And DNS is 8.8.8.8. Apply. Wire connection is alright. Connect. Yep, we got it. So I have config, and you will see the IP address in here for this Kali. So let's go to the management Kali, and then we have to assign the management. This Kali machine is connected to the firewall, so its network gateway has to be the firewall interface. So go to the wire settings. We're gonna configure the IPv4 manual is 192.168.1.2 and /24 is 192.168.1.1. Alright, so this IP address for the IP address is for firewall management. So yeah, we don't need a DNS here. So apply. Let's check if config. If config, yeah, here it is. Alright, we already assigned the IP address on Kali's machines respectively, so we should start the firewall Palo Alto. So therefore we have to wait for a while because it's the loading. So there's the Kali Linux. We're gonna assign the different VLAN on the different sub interface. So we have to wait the firewall configurations. The firewall configuration is like stay loading. Alright, firewall is still cooking. So I'll be right back. Alright, so it's ready to configure. So Default password is admin. So we are in the terminal of the firewall. So configure, set device config, system type static, set device config, system IP address 192.168.1.1, and net mask is 255.255.255.0 is /24, and commit. After committed, and we can get the web accept like UI of the firewall in the Kali machine from the manage my VLAN. So I'm gonna go to Firefox. Let's go to Firefox, and we just only need to type HTTPS 192.168.1.1. It's gonna be okay. It's successful. So 1.1. Let's get access events. Let's find it. So admin and a copy. Okay, we got access of the firewall UI in the Kali machine. So now we can configure the Ethernet 1/1. Ethernet 1/1 is connected to the internet. So we're gonna assign the DHCP or to assign the IP address on Ethernet 1/1. So remind me later. Go to the network and Ethernet 1/1. Just go to the Ethernet 1/1, and here is like layer 3 router is gonna be virtual router, default router, sorry, and security zone. Probably we don't need a security zone because we don't actually need to configure the security zone right now. So Ethernet 1/1 is layer 3. For the IP4 is DHCP client. So default route is okay. And then for the Ethernet 1/2 is I just only type the interface is layer 3. So we're gonna create the sub interface in the Ethernet 1/2. So click OK. Click OK. Then we don't need to assign the IP address. So Ethernet 1/2 layer 3, then we will create the sub interface. So for the sub interface, I think I have to go to the events. I think I forget something because like before we create the sub interface, we have to configure the switch for the sub interface. So which is like connected to the Kali. So if it is connected to the machines, it won't work. So we have to disconnect it and go to the configuration. And here is the port numbers. So I'm gonna delete and I'm gonna leave 3 ports, and the one has to be the .1Q because like we just connected to the firewall, and .1Q is like connect carry the like you have to know the is it CCNA knowledge is .1Q, and .1Q apply for this. One is VLAN 10, right? So I'm gonna type 10. Okay, it's not working. Probably this one has to be the 10 and SS at oh no, not forward. This one has to be 1, 10. This one has to be 2 is VLAN 6, right? VLAN 6 at this one has to be 1Q. This VLAN 0. Sorry, VLAN 0. One number 0, VLAN 1, sorry. So the one queue is gonna carry the frame from VLAN 10 and VLAN 6. So apply, OK, and connect back 1, then at 2 and 3/2. Yeah, it looks good. Now we can create the sub interface. So OK. So we're gonna create the sub interface in here. Here so you can see the S sub interface. I'm gonna create it sub interface and this Ethernet is 2.10 and tag is 10. And then the router has to be the default route. Security zone. I'm gonna create a guest, GUESD guest. Okay. And then I'm gonna assign the IP address. Sorry, this one has to be the security. So security zone and secure zone. Yeah. And then IP address 10.10.10.1/24. Yeah, I got it. So yeah. And here is the IP address. I already assigned it, and then I'm gonna add a new sub interface for the VLAN 6. So it's 2/6 and tag is 6. This one is also the default route, and this one's gonna be guest. And add the IP address is 10.6.6.1/24. Here we go, and then we already assigned the IP address on the interface respectively. So I'm gonna commit it. Let's see what happened. After assign the IP address and so on, we have to create a default route. So to make sense, I would like to create the outside zone for the Ethernet 1/1 as well, because Ethernet 1/1 is connected to the internet. So yeah, to get the internet access, and yeah, we should create the outside zone as well. So go to the Ethernet 1/1 and let's create the zone. Come on, it's a little bit. Okay, so it's outside. Okay. Okay. Now we will create the default route. So go to the virtual route and default. In the default route, and we're gonna create the static route. Static route. Duplicate the tag. Static route is the step-in route. Destination has to be 0.0.0.0/0, because we want to get any IP address. And then interface has to be 1/1, and then the IP address is TCP IP. So go to the interface, it might be later, go to the interface, and the TCP IP is 192.122.1. So for the 192.168.122.1. Okay. Now we already created a study route. So we're gonna create a net from guest to outside. So go to the policy, and we will create a net. Net is guest to outside. Guest to out. Original package is from guest, and destination zone has to be outside. So any IP address, but we're gonna create a policy. here's a like net we already created. So we're gonna create a security policy for that um, outbound room. So add the security policy is also the gas to out. The source has to be the gas. Destination has to be the out. For the application, I'm gonna assign the DNS. Oh, sorry, it's DNS, and then web browsing. Web browsing, and then SSL. I'm gonna get an error of SSL and TLS, so I assign the SSL. Should be allowed, so I allow it, and then probably I'm gonna create it. So click OK, and then here is the one policy. I'm gonna commit it. So commit take time, so just wait for a while. And then we also have to create a net to secure to outside, and we also have to assign the policy for the secure to outside. But currently, I just assigned the policy for gas to outside. Gas is like VLAN 6, so we're gonna test it. The VLAN 6 can pin or pin out, can pin or ping to 8.8.8.8. So oops, and then I'm gonna ping it 8.8.8.8. So I cannot ping. That is good sign because I didn't assign the ping policy for the gas zone. So go to the web browser. I assigned the web browser, right? So google.com. Take time. My instructor pages also. I still can't assign it because oh yeah, commission is 10. Net is also okay. Kali.com. Actually, it should be okay, but like now I still don't get it. I don't know why. It's been 6. Ping is now okay, but why can't I ping? Let me see. Okay, anyway. So I didn't assign the ping, so I cannot ping it. So sometimes I get an error because of that labs are like from the school, and I use the school computer from my computer with the index, so sometimes I get an error. So anyway, I'm gonna create a secure to outside. So add a policy SECUI secure to up. So it is secure. Destination is out. Application is I'm gonna assign ping. DNS, and then YouTube, Google-based application, Google-based service action is allowed. Okay, I'm gonna create another security out. I have to create a net that is from security out. SECUI secure to out. Packages secure to out. I think I still need the translation package or not. Probably I might need it, so translate interface is 1/1. Okay. Yes, it's also I might need it. That's why probably I cannot get a web access. So translation package from IP address interface is 1/1. Okay, commit. So after committing, I should get a access from the VLAN 10. This one is VLAN 10. This one is VLAN 6. Let me see. This one is VLAN 10. So ping 8.8.8.8. Let's see. It has a data. Yeah, finally. I got it, man. Yes, I cannot ping it. This one is VLAN 6. This one is VLAN 10. After commission is finished, and I can ping because I assigned the ping in VLAN 10 and I cannot ping in VLAN 6. So go to the browser. I just assign YouTube, right? YouTube and Google. Because here is like I think I cannot get the Google.com. No. What about this? Google.com. And let's go to the YouTube. Probably because of the firewall from the school, I think. That's why I cannot. Actually, it doesn't really make sense. Sometimes I get an error at the school as well. So yeah, I can. I can. So yeah, it's a good sign. Yes, I can. Here's a YouTube. I can reach to the YouTube website. Yes, I can reach to the Google. So I assign the my policy at work. So it's good. So that's it for today. And I'm gonna make any other videos later. So see you in the next videos and tutorials. Thank you.